Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. What if I told you that AI can generate an entire research paper, complete with citations, figures, and structured sections? Tasks that once took researchers months, such as literature reviews, idea development, and drafting, can now be completed in a fraction of the time. Gatsby does it in minutes. It identifies research gaps, generates original ideas, and automatically drafts scientific papers, all within a single tool. It writes patent disclosures in 11 languages, conducts systematic reviews and meta-analyses, and automatically generates figures and in-text citations. Let's dive in and see how it works. The official website can be accessed via the provider link in the description. Gatsby is an AI agent specifically developed to expedite research processes, including the generation of literature reviews, systematic reviews, and meta-analyses. The platform also supports ongoing research projects. For users who prefer not to install software, a web-based version is available, which will be demonstrated today. Let's sign in with our credentials and choose the web version to reach the main interface. As you can see, it's a very simple and user-friendly layout. Gatsby comes with three main tools: Gatsby Innovator for discovering new research ideas, Gatsby Writer for turning previous research into full papers, and Gatsby Reviewer for systematic literature reviews and meta-analyses. Let's take a look at Gatsby Innovator. Before writing anything, you'll see sample prompts that help you generate ideas. For this example, I want to find out what factors affect students' learning outcomes in mathematics. After submitting the query, the system initiates the process. Notably, the research question is relatively broad. The AI notices that the query is broad and asks us to narrow it down. It shows different factors like problem-solving strategies, gamification in math education, and more. I'm interested in gamification and engagement strategies in math education. I'll go ahead and select that option and hit Enter. Now the AI is doing its primary analysis, pulling out important information around our topic. It covers fundamental concepts, followed by component analysis, adaptive learning mechanisms, emerging technologies, learning performance, and more. After a few moments, you'll see the generated ideas. You can click any reference to access the full academic paper for deeper reading. The tool can even create a complete manuscript based on any selected idea. This is how you can use Gatsby Innovator to brainstorm research ideas before writing. Once your idea is finalized, you can move on to generating a literature review, systematic review, or meta-analysis. Now, let's explore Gatsby's meta-analysis generation capabilities. The tool first asks us to input our research idea, which helps filter and select relevant papers. We can also set the publication year to include only recent academic studies in our analysis. I want to include papers published from 2020 onward. Next, we'll enter our area of interest in the prompt bar. For example, let's generate a meta-analysis on how gamification enhances students' learning outcomes in mathematics. The analysis then progresses through several steps. First, the tool generates an outline based on the screened literature, starting with the background. For example, gamification has emerged as a transformative approach in mathematics education, leveraging game-like elements to enhance student learning outcomes. Despite its growing popularity, the effectiveness of gamification in improving academic achievement, motivation, and engagement in mathematics remains a contested area, with varying results across studies. This is followed by the objectives, which explain what has been searched and covered. And the methodology, results, conclusion, and the references from which information will be extracted. You can click any reference to access the original source directly. Once you're satisfied with the outline, to generate the full meta-analysis, click Write Paper Manuscript. The tool automatically creates a title, The Impact of Gamification on Student Learning Outcomes in Mathematics. The manuscript includes a clear abstract, a comprehensive introduction with properly cited studies, a detailed methodology section covering inclusion and exclusion criteria, and study selection, integrated figures and tables, a thorough conclusion, and a complete reference list. If you're not satisfied, you can regenerate the manuscript. Once you're happy with it, you can export it in various formats, including Microsoft Word, LaTeX, or Markdown. I'll download it as a Word document. You can also adjust the citation style before downloading. Here's the downloaded version. This is how you can use Gatsby AI to create comprehensive literature reviews and speed up your academic workflow. Access Gatsby AI through the link in the description and let us know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI-related content. Thank you for watching. I hope this will helpful for you. Like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.